Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful bag to show you. So this is the Gucci Marmont shoulder, and all of this leather, all of this quilted leather is absolutely beautiful. You can see they've got that stitched GG on the back, as well as that GG hardware on the front as well. We've got one long strap, and that is adjustable, so it's kind of on the middle setting at the minute, so you can make it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. And then we've got a zip top closure with this great tassel, leather tassel zip pull. So I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside we've got that super soft microfiber lining, and we've got the cards and everything for it there as well. So I'll just pop those there and I'll show you those when I show you what it comes with. But we've got that gorgeous microfiber lining there, super soft and lovely nudie pink colour. And then we've got one flat pocket, leather flat pocket in there too. The condition of this one, it's in absolutely excellent condition. We've called it excellent all around. It's just brand new, unused, in a perfect condition. It's just completely pristine. I'll show you everywhere just so you can see what a gorgeous condition it is in. Again, on the interior, no signs of use at all. It is in a perfect condition. And I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Gucci little envelope, and that has the Harrods original receipt in it. And then we also have Gucci care card and Gucci RFID booklet as well. And then of course we've got the Gucci dust bag, as well as the Gucci box and the Gucci bag too. So a perfect bag, in perfect condition, with all the fun extra little bits as well. It would make a really gorgeous gift for somebody special. So if you would like to know the exact measurements for this Marmont shoulder, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If you click that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, if it is one you're looking out for, it's one of your favourites, let us know and we can get you on our request list. It's really easy to do that. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll get you on that list. And as soon as we get in another one, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Exact measurements again are on the website, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So with that long strap, you can pop it on your shoulder, or I think it looks really nice as a crossbody like that. And it's just the perfect little black crossbody. So if you are looking for something simple, something that you can use every day, all the time, it's a perfect crossbody length for me too. It's just a Gucci must-have, the Marmont shoulder. So if you are looking for a beautiful little bag like this, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. So don't miss out on that discount. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're on there too. If you are interested in selling any of your bags, there's all the details about the whole process on there, so have a read through there. Like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a bag lover like we are, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.